Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome to day 6 of this motor build. I've got my buddy Corey with me here. He's gonna give me a hand. Who knows? Might even get lucky tonight and fire it. Might not get that far, but we're gonna see how far we get.
Won't get that far, bud.
So, let's get to it. All right, cleaned up my intake manifold. Got my new gasket on. Go toss her on.
Trying to capture your husband here so people can look at him in a tiny box on their desk. Or in their hands while they're shitting.
That's 11 Newton meters!
11 Newton meters,
I
yeah?
love me Newtons. Who the fuck even uses Newton meters? Throttle body, 11 Newton meters.
Newton meters!
11 newtons.
Newton. A couple of Jimmy Neutrons.
Okay, things are happening.
Well, your oil cooler goes hand in hand.
Intake manifold on, throttle body on.
Nice.
Doing good.
I like the stain on your face. Did you do that on purpose?
That's hot.
I know. I realized that's how I walked into Papa John's.
Looking like a man.
Yeah. 100% manly.
Fooled them.
I don't have a torque spec for this, so it's gonna go until tight and then give it a mental ugga. Plus a dugga. So, everything's back on the motor that I can right now. I got the oil filter housing on,
But you know
the AC compressor on, our steering pump, everything around it. I gotta let the RTV set on that for a while because I forgot to get a housing or a gasket for it for whatever reason. I thought I did, but I didn't. So, shit. But it'll do for now. Car just has to drive and get out of the garage. So it is what it is. Hang on here and we'll get to it. I'm gonna get all sorts of check engine lights because of this.
But we love check engine lights.
Oh, it's worth it.
gotta get a fucking shot of this guy's goddamn face.
Is it really dirty?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, you got some serious stuff going on
Looking
there.
good, buddy. You look
That's the
like
best. I am going to make the intelligent call and call it a night on working on this.
Yeah.
And just relax for a few and let my brain attack it from a more intelligent angle in the morning.
That's fair.
Because my brain is slowing down and I'm sure there is a simple solution that I'm just not seeing right now.
Yeah, 2 a.m. is not prime time for figuring shit out.
No.
Goodbye, everybody.
Yeah, later.